Hello bluebells, hello sunflowers, I hope you're fine. So today we're gonna do a science experiment. As the theme of the week, Under the Sea, we're gonna do a shark float experiment. How excited! So what do we need for this one? So we need oil, water, a tub contained with some fill of water, 2 balloons. So I wrote and I drawn my balloons, a shark, can you see? And number 1 and number 2, a funnel, and 1 permanent marker to draw. So to start my experiment, I'll get my balloon number 1. I will fill with water. It's around 50 ml. Then I'm gonna tie it. Put on my side, this is my balloon number 1 that has water. And then I'll take my balloon number 2 and I'll fill with the oil, and I got a funnel to help me to put the oil on my balloon, on my shark. So now I have 1 balloon with water and 1 balloon with oil. So let me tie this one now. A little bit slippery because of the oil. There we go. Alright, so this is my 2 sharks, 1 with water and 1 with oil. So let's see which one is gonna float. So this is number 1. This is number 2. So let me put them close, then you can see better. Can you see the balloon number 2? It's this one with the water, the oil. It's floating. And number 1 with water is sinking. So that means the sharks, they have oil on their liver, what helped them to float in the water. I hope you like it. Have fun in your experiment and see you next